Okay. So Roundhill Investment has launched Ether cover call ETF YETH. That's what I'm gonna call it, YETH. It says YETH offer exposure to Ether subject to cap while seeking to generate monthly option income. Roundhill, an ETF sponsor focused on innovation financial products, is pleased to announce the launch of Roundhill Ether Cover Call Strategy (ETF) Ether, which begins trading on, I think that's Cboe BZX today. YETH seeks to offer investor exposure to Ether, the world's second largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization. The Ethereum blockchain is the backbone for many emerging technologies, including DeFi, NFTs, and decentralized applications. Roundhill Ether Cover Call Strategy (ETF) employs a covered call strategy on Ether tracking ETFs designed to generate potential monthly income while providing investors with exposure to price movement of Ether. Historically, Ether has exhibited slightly higher volatility compared to Bitcoin, which may translate into higher option premiums. While many investors in the spot ETH market stake their coins to earn a staking yield, the currently offered spot ETFs do not offer yields, or ETPs do not offer yields. YETH, however, provides potential income generation through its covered call strategy, offering an alternative for investors. In addition to ETH, the firm launched the Roundhill Bitcoin Covered Call Strategy ETF YBTC in January of this year. Following the successful launch of YETH, Roundhill is proud to have officially become the first U.S. ETF issuer to offer income oriented strategies across both Bitcoin and Ether, the world's two largest cryptocurrencies. ETH offers investors an attractive blend of high income potential and exposure to ETH, says Dave, Chief Strategy Officer at Roundhill Investments. Investors have clamored for a covered call ETF with exposure to ETH, and we are proud to bring such a product to the U.S. market. Now, um, they are currently listed here on Robinhood. I don't see any volume, so I don't know if they're actually trading today, but they are listed here, and it shows it's up 50. I don't know if that's, let's refresh this here. Let's see if we have any volume here. There it is right there. There's volume. Look like there's 917 tokens that have been traded so far. Opening price was $50. Okay, so maybe it didn't start trading until maybe a few hours ago. All right, cool. Okay, so when we go over to Roundhill, looking at their ETFs, we can see assets under management here. If we scroll down, they do have the Bitcoin ETF, which is YBIT. It's 42 million under assets with an expense ratio of 0.95. So if we scroll on down here, here it is right here. ETH, Ether cover call ETF strategy with look like about 0.5 million under assets. Okay, cool. Let's see what else we have on here. All right, so we have the overall YETH, it says income potential seeks to generate monthly income through synthetic cover call on Ether. Exposure to Ether seeks to offer exposure to Ether subject to monthly cap. It implements a synthetic cover call strategy saving investors the time and expense of trading options themselves. I know I don't know how to trade options, so this is great. Once again, there's the ticker symbol. There's currently 10,000 shares outstanding. Let's see what else we have here. Here's the holdings. Looks like there's a option call. There's a call. There's a call, and there's a put. See what else we have out here. Look like the opening price or started with 49.49. Here's a strike price, which I don't know too much about. Let's see what else we got out here. All right, so all this is to be determined. Um, the frequency will be a monthly paying ETF, which is good. All right, so I see the calendar distribution. So the first declaration date for this is going to be September the 26th. EX date is going to be the 27th, along with the record date and a payout date of September the 30th. So it looks like it's going to be the last week of each month as far as the payout date, the 31st, the 29th, 31st again for December. Of course, there's no distribution history because it just went live. Let's see here. Here's some frequent asked questions. When did Roundhill, either cover call become, or when did it launch? It said it began September the 4th, which is the day. Talks about the fees again, 0.9%. Can I trade options on Roundhill Ether cover call? No, options trade is not yet available for ETH. YETH, I'm gonna say YETH. Is Roundhill Ether cover call strategy ETF actively managed? Of course, yes. Um, how often does YETH generate income? YETH generate monthly income by selling call options and seeks to pay monthly distribution to shareholders. What type of option does YETH utilize European style flex exchange options, flex options. YETH sells monthly flex call options on Ether ETF to generate income in order to achieve long exposure. YETH buys an at the money flex call and sells an at the money flex put to achieve a synthetic long position. What is a cover call strategy? A cover call strategy involves holding a long position in assets while selling call options on the same asset. The strategy aims to generate additional income from the option premiums, but limits the upside potential if the asset's price increases above the strike price. YETH implies a synthetic long position by combining long call options and put option on Ether ETF, which when combined seek to replicate the price return of a traditional long position in Ether. For all of those that do option tradings, I'm sure all that is familiar with you. So this is the YBIT, the Bitcoin ETF strategies. They came out back in January of this year. We can see now that they currently have a distribution rate of 46.51. Let's see here. Currently have 42 million on their assets. Let's see here. We can see some calls, some puts. There's a short BitTo call. All right, there's a performance. Let's look at our distribution and amount. All right, so it's the same dates as YETH, but so far YBIT has had a distribution back, starting going back as far as May. What they're showing here for 184, June 91 cents, July $2.06, And August they had a distribution of $1.61. So that is good. Excuse me. All right, so the volume most recently or currently today is 30. Just refresh that. All right. There's a 52-week low of 37.50, a 52-week high of 59.61. Okay, so that's good. Date range is 39.65 to 41.16. All right, so let's take a look at the chart here. We can see that YBit has calmed down a little bit because crypto is down currently right now. So let's give a whole year out. So we can see the chart. They've had some dips and rebound. So that's good. That's good. All right. Let's see, is there anything else?